up, everybody? This is Martial Arts Philosophy with David, and I'm going to do a real quick one, aka Fitness for the Average Joe, and we're going to do a little bit of isometrics. Okay, so quick thing that I want to bring forward is that a lot of people practice JKD, and I think JKD is awesome. And everybody who's doing JKD out there, thumbs up. Now, from my point of view, I think that if you're going to practice JKD, you should want to have a little bit of physical strength as well to go with it. And I think a good way of doing that is by doing isometrics. So I'm going to do a real quick isometric move that builds strength, and you can incorporate it into your JKD training or boxing training or whatever type of training you do, because what it'll do, it'll give you more physical strength, and it will help your fast twitch muscles, and it'll just make you an all-around strong person. So you ready? Let's go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little squat. We're going to try to put our weight in the hands, hold it maybe for a couple seconds, as long as you can, and we take it from there. Let's go. So you're going to take your time, try to open your lower back, try to bring your hands here into prayer position. Take 1 or 2 deep breaths. Be careful when you're doing it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you soon.